How would you like to get access to a smart app? A smart app that allows you to create, host, sell, even market your videos. Videos that are ready for Web 3.0. You see, gone are the days where you can use YouTube. Gone are the days when you can use YouTube as a reliable hosting solution, and gone are the times when it's necessary to pay a heap of money every single month just for basic video hosting. You see, we're past all that. So if you'd like a great app that allows you to do so much more than just host videos, of course it hosts videos, but you're going to be able to add interactive elements. You're going to be able to make these videos clickable, interactive, and actually rather fun. Then you're going to absolutely love today's marketplace deal. Hey, what's going on? Dan here with your JVZoo team. And today we're incredibly excited to get to tell you all about FaceDrip. Now, FaceDrip is a brand new app, and in fact a world first here for us at JVZoo. Now, this clever app allows you to host videos and then actually make them interactive and convert like crazy. Now, you can upload a video from your desktop, you can use a YouTube video, or you can even do a screen record if that's what you want to do. Then you're going to be able to add smart elements onto it. Think about things like buy buttons or PayPal or Stripe integrations. How about opt-in forms right inside the videos? Well, you're going to be able to do that and so much more. So let's go ahead and take a look at FaceDrip in action right now.
Guys, this is FaceDrip, an outstanding one-click AI-powered app which helps you create, host, market, and sell interactive videos for the Web 3.0 in less than 60 seconds. We have adapted this awesome technology in your favor so you can apply only 3 easy-to-follow steps which practically anyone can do. Let me show you. Step 1. Add a video. To add your video, you just need to click on the Create Video button right here. Next, you will see different options to upload your video, such as record from camera, record your screen, add a video from YouTube, and upload a video from your computer. I will use a video from my computer, so I will click here, find the video I want to use, and upload it. We wait for our video to load, and we will be redirected to the customization area. Step 2. Customize your video. Now we are in the customization area. This top menu you see right here will guide you step by step to customize every aspect of your video. On the left side, you will be able to use the customization features, and on the right side, you will be able to preview your changes. In the Editing tab, you will be able to add an intro and an outro to your video, to trim it, and to pick a thumbnail. In the Design tab, you will be able to design the video player, as well as to design the call to action section of your video. You can customize the logo, change the color of the play button, and you can also add a custom background image to your video page. If you would like to take a look at how your video page is looking so far, you can copy this URL here and open it in a new tab. And there, you can take a look at how things are looking so far. And in the Design CTA tab, you are able to apply similar changes but to the CTA section of your video page. In the Details tab, you are able to add your video description, assign some tags, select your call to action among many different high-converting and ready-to-use calls to action, such as phone number, chat, video reply, form, external form, document, products, and many more. And you can use several of them at the same time if you want. Engage your viewers with multiple videos by adding several videos into a playlist. Be able to use our one-click transcription service, and be able to use each one of these additional customization features, which are depending on your liking. Let's see how the video page is looking so far. And there you can see every element I decided to show on my video page with just a few clicks. In the Analytics tab, you can track the actions of your video viewers, such as email click rates, watch rates, call rates, CTA click rates, reaction rates, email open rates, and video reply rates, as well as video stats and activity. In the Video Replies tab, you can see more information about the response activity that viewers have done. This feature enables you to also receive video testimonials from the viewers and customers. And finally, we go to the Privacy tab, where you will have 3 options to choose, like Feature, Shareable, and Draft. Well guys, that was easy and fun, don't you think? It's time to share our video with the whole world. Step 3, share your video. Once you have finished making all the adjustments to your video, you can share it by clicking on this share icon. Guys, here you can find all kinds of awesome ways to share your video to the whole world. Brilliant ways like email, social, embed, widget, and QR code. This thing is just terrific, guys. And this is just the tip of the iceberg. FaceDrip doesn't just create interactive videos for you. After creating your videos, you can start running video email or video SMS campaigns to drive more conversions and sales. Also, as an agency, freelancer, or local marketer, rendering services to different clients, say hello to the new advanced workspace that organizes your different clients into workspaces. They are all independent business profiles you can handle. There is lots more awesome stuff inside FaceDrip, but I can't show it all in just this short video. Just get inside and see for yourself. Really, no other solution will give you as much value for your money. So if you're looking to use an outstanding one-click AI-powered app which helps you create, host, market, and sell interactive videos for the Web 3.0 in less than 60 seconds, then try FaceDrip today. You'll be glad you did. See you on the other side.